Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, continuing my series of Spam recipes. There's some Spam. There's a hamburger bun. There's some American cheese, pickles, and some mustard. Mike Foster here. You saw the intro. It's a Spamburger. It's a hamburger, but made out of Spam. I'm not kidding about this one. Watch and learn. Got the heat going on that pan. Let me get that Spam burger together. Check it out. Well, this is how you put the Spam burger together. You get a nice big chunk. So we want it to be the size of a burger. That's a good size for a burger. Not this one. This one. And then we're just gonna carve it up a little. Take the other piece too. All right, meet you over at the stove. All right, this is medium. A little olive oil down. Let's take that Spam burger. And his two little friends. And let's get that going. All right. These are cooking fast, which is what you want. Give me a flipperoo. Flipperoogie. Flipperooper. Now I got these buns. I'm gonna put them here so that they get a little crisp on them. Guess what I decided? That baby's big enough. I'm gonna take these ones out. Don't need them. All right, let's see how these guys are going. Yeah, they're getting there. A little more. Let's see this guy. Flip them. Oh yeah. All right, now it's time to put the cheese on there. That's a cheeseburger, cheese Spam burger. This is gonna melt and finish the Spam in about a minute, and these will be ready then. I'll meet you for the assembly. Alrighty, toasted hamburger bun, mustard on both sides. Let's get that Spam burger. Oh, look at that thing. Gorgeous. Little mustard here for sticky. Let's put those pickles on there. Yeah, there's pickles on there. Let's flip it. There it is. There's that Spam burger. Big bite coming up. There it is. It looks just like a burger, but it's made out of Spam. It's a cheeseburger. Well, let's see how it tastes. I think it looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Well, simple. See if it's simply tasty. Oh. The Spam is heated up, which brings out its juices. The cheese is melted, and American cheese works perfectly. Get that tang from the mustard. The hamburger bun is perfect. Oh. That's gorgeous. Watch the sodium. I get the low sodium Spam. It's fun, fast, simple, and easy. Another Spam recipe. At Live Life 365. Check me out at all my socials. Tell people about it. Killer Diller and a sweet babu. Until next time, peace. Really? Ha ha ha.
Live life 365.
My eyes look tired. I don't know, it's those damn allergies this time of year. I'm not drinking or anything. These allergies. They're getting there. Oh. Cheese Spam burger. That looks gorgeous. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Only a few more recipes to go. I don't know how much more Spam I can eat. Bye-bye.